Do your AI returns feel generic? Today I'm showing you how to bring a little bit of magic to your AI conversations by using knowledge. Welcome to 5 Minutes of Boodle, where we're building a post-AI classroom 5 minutes at a time. BoodleBox is an AI platform that brings together multiple large language models, allows you to build custom bots, and collaborate with others all in one space. I'm Sarah Gibson, a university professor and AI strategist, and I help individuals and institutions move from fearful of to flourishing with AI. Think of the knowledge bank as AI's personal library. It captures your expertise and your preferences. In the next 5 minutes, we'll look at 3 ways to help AI better understand your needs. The knowledge bank is where you can store information and then bring it into a chat to have the large language model interact with it. There are 2 basic ways to add knowledge to BoodleBox. The first is to go to Knowledge Bank, click on Upload Files, and then you can either drag and drop your files here, or you can simply click and then select your files. The second way is to actually add it to a chat. So I'm going to go back to a chat here. And then what I can do is drag and drop it right in. Or I can attach knowledge and once again do the same thing and put it in here that way. So I'm going to go ahead and ask a question of this document. So you can see that at the top, it tells me that this document is attached. And then if I look over here, I can also see that I have one document attached and its exact name. If I toggle back over to the knowledge bank, I will then see my to-do list right there. Coming back to the chat, I can also add additional knowledge here that maybe is already in my knowledge bank by either clicking down here or simply clicking up here and selecting the knowledge. And so now I can see that I've got 2 pieces of knowledge attached and I can see what their names are. If I want to get rid of one, I simply select the X button and now I'm back down to just that one document. So the large language model will only interact with the knowledge that's attached to the specific chat. But what if you had a universal piece of knowledge that kind of set up the tone in which the large language model should interact with you? To do that, you simply have to go into the knowledge bank, make sure to upload it, and then star it. Anytime a document is starred, it will be added to every single chat that you open up in BoodleBox. So once again, you can see there is my document and I've got one document attached. This is a great way to kind of customize the BoodleBox experience. You could have universal knowledge that details how you write, what kind of work you do, or even how the large language model should interact with you. There's one other thing I want to show you, and that is that you can go to any chat or any folder and simply click on the 3 dots, and then you can add the chat itself or the folder full of chats to the knowledge bank. This is helpful if you want the information in the chat to inform future conversations. Also, if you had a folder full of your students' work, you could add the entire folder to the knowledge bank and then use that to assess knowledge gaps or maybe the strengths of individual students or items that maybe you need to cover in class. I hope this has been helpful. Tell me in the chat below what kind of information you're putting in your knowledge bank. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me. If you want to try BoodleBox for yourself, there is a code for 1 month free in the description below. Like and subscribe so you don't miss another episode. And no matter where you are on your AI journey, remember, start small, build with intention, and together we're shaping a post-AI classroom.